What is up, SFIT? My name is Azim Manatwal. I am going to be performing in your college on 3rd February. 3rd February, and the reason I'm walking is because your college is in Borivali and I need to leave right now. So, see you. Bye.
Start.
Okay, so today we are here with the Jedi of Iris. What? Peace. Okay, he's preaching peace. Okay, so we are
Yeah,
here
it's
with
a no conflict Iris.
So yeah. Okay, so another Jedi said that there are no conflicts in the Iris.
What conflicts?
There are no conflicts.
What are these things?
Fine. What do you think about PDA in the college or outside of the college?
Like this? I support it completely.
You support completely to what extent?
To any extent,
To
man.
any extent.
Till
What do you think was your favorite cartoon in the 2000s?
the 2000s.
Yeah.
When was Naruto?
Naruto. No.
Is that counted?
No. It's the early 2000s.
Shinchan? Kochikame.
Okay, Kochigami. Fine, Kochigami. Kochigami is a good answer. Okay, so let's move on to another question. What do you think was your favorite memory in SFIT?
I think I'm about to make one right now.
What do you think was your worst memory in SFIT?
I think I'm going to make one right now.
Okay, fine. Thank you for taking out your precious time.
Anyway, so we are here today with Aniket Gadi for Bartley Talks. Oh, what do you think about Iris?
Iris is a festival, and we all know that yeah, it's a festival. Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
Don't give us a proper definition. What do you think about it?
So what do you think about Iris? Your personal opinion and not the opinion that you have.
But I've seen Iris throughout the last 2 years, and now I'm experiencing it.
Firsthand.
No, I'm actually doing it in a proper way, and I'm thinking that it's going to be a good one from the last 2 years, and
I'm just
probably
saying that because you're JEC.
probably I'm obsessed with my work. So we have the best team working, and the executives are excellent, and the core is so. One private thing, there are no conflicts between us. So
That's a good thing. No conflicts this year.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So one of the other questions I'd like to ask you is, what was your favorite cartoon when you were like 5? I mean, since this is reminisce, we're
Yeah.
reminiscing. So
maybe Oswald.
Oswald. Why do you like Oswald? Was he fat?
No,
Were you
I'm
fat?
not
Were you
fat.
fat?
No, I'm not fat. I was not fat. The reason I
Did
used
you
to
have no friends except like a dog?
uh,
Is that why
not,
you like it?
not really.
Okay.
Yeah, I do have friends right now. There was a time when I never
You were
had.
Oswald.
Yeah.
You
yeah,
were
yeah,
Oswald. Is
I
that
was,
why? That's
yeah.
why you like Oswald.
Singer?
Singer.
Favorite 2000 singer?
Oh yeah, a singer from the 2000s.
2000s.
I mean, who do you used to listen to back then?
Anu Malik.
Anu Malik. Oh my
What
god.
was the song?
ऊंची है building.
हाँ, ऊंची है बिल्डिंग, लिफ्ट तेरी बंद है, कैसे मैं आऊं, दिल रजामंद है.
Good evening,
It's rolling.
guys. We're here for another episode of Barty Talks with Mr.
He's not Mr.
Okay, a little louder.
Sagar.
Sagar
Mavanya.
Mavanya. Okay,
What is
where
your
was-
post in the student
Yeah,
council?
what's your post here?
I'm sports secretary in the student council for the
Okay.
year 2016.
What about Ignitra? Isn't Ignitra coming about? Like,
Yeah, it's going to start from tomorrow, and it will be finished on Sunday.
This on Sunday. How's the planning going on so far?
It's all fantastic.
Okay, you know what PDA is, right?
Hello.
Okay, you know what PDA
Sorry for the interruption.
No problem. You should have said that before you did. Okay, moving. Okay, moving on. What do you know what PDA is?
PDA.
Yeah.
I heard about PDF, not PDA.
PDA stands for Public Display of Affection. Have you ever had someone you've been affectionate with?
Only Ajinkya.
Okay, so anyway, so what are your views over people who like, get too pally and close, like in and around college or anywhere
It
actually?
should not be.
Why would you say that? I mean, you live in the 21st century, we watch movies with like,
But we live in India, we have our own culture.
you know,
We did not follow other countries' culture.
okay, but this is exactly the kind
Why
of
not
thing
promote
that,
our own culture?
what exactly does our culture stand for?
Wear sari in college, wear pajama, kameez and everything in college. And not wear jeans, t-shirts and everything.
Why are you in whatever you're wearing right now?
Because men wear pants shirt only.
No, they don't. By traditional
I don't
methods,
think
men wear.
I don't think
Let
they
me correct you.
every
men
day wear
wear-
sherwani and all.
I'm pretty sure they do.
They don't.
By our tradition.
Every day they don't wear. They wear for marriage function and everything. Not for every day you casual wear.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Yeah, we're done with this interview. I'm this. Okay,
Sagar
you know what? You have to pick up. Imagine this situation where you have to pick up a guy.
Girl.
for prom. So use the
Guy.
best pickup line you got.
Yo de puta.